Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at the Melody Maker Cancun with Air Canada Vacations. Located 25 minutes northeast of the Cancun International Airport, this lifestyle resort has 679 rooms, a prime spot on the main strip, endless beachfront views, and offers a unique music festival experience with parties at the Delirio Day Club by day and hosting concerts with popular DJs by night. Let's take a look at where we stayed, room 1331. A signature icon oceanfront junior suite. You'll enter the suite through the hallway, placing your card in the control slot to turn on your air conditioning and lights. To your right is your open concept bathroom area. It has modern lighting, beautiful mirrors, and useful electrical outlets. On the counter, you'll find your hairdryer, 2 elegantly elevated bowl sinks, hand towels, glasses, and complimentary amenities like soap, shampoo, shower cap, and body lotion. You'll also find tissues and a scale here, as well as your handy light-up adjustable magnifying mirror. Next to this, you'll find a private area with your toilet. Across from here is your shower area. It has 2 rainfall shower heads, an adjustable shower head, and sleek fixtures. You'll receive complimentary amenities that are restocked as needed. It has modern finishes, an intuitive design, and even a spot for fresh towels. This area overlooks your large and luxurious soaking tub. It has an additional handheld spout and trendy design. Across the room, you'll find your storage area. Here is your room service menu, glasses, and ice bucket. Next to this is your closet. It has a variety of hangers and shelving for storage. In the drawer, you'll find your safe with enough space to fit a 13-inch laptop with plenty of room to spare. Underneath is your fully stocked signature minibar. You'll get Coke, Diet Coke, snacks, local beers, and water that's restocked as needed. There's plush seating and carpeting to make you feel at home. Next up is the bedroom area. Your comfy king-size bed has soft linens and plush pillows. There are nearby switches for beautiful bedside lighting. The bedside table has storage, your do not disturb hanger, phone, notepad, and pen. It also has a hidden pop-up with both electrical and USB outlets. The other bedside table has storage, a matching hidden pop-up with outlets, and holds your 2 television remotes. The smaller one controls your hidden 55-inch television that pops up from the base of your bed and can be put away with the touch of a button. At the end of your bed is your large, full-length mirror. Next to this is your seating area, with gorgeous modern artwork and vibrant furniture. Now onto one of the best parts of the room, the balcony. From here you can see the entire property and soak up all those Cancun blues. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at the Melody Maker Cancun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us what you think in the comments below. Book your Melody Maker vacation with Air Canada Vacations. Subscribe to our channel for more room tours and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys!